If you're experiencing login failures on Roblox, especially with the error code 2025, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into your account smoothly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by trying to access other websites or applications. If your connection is weak, consider restarting your router or switching to a different network. Step 2. Clear browser cache and cookies. If you're using a web browser to access Roblox, clearing your cache and cookies can help. Go to your browser settings, find the option to clear browsing data, and select cache and cookies. After clearing, restart the browser and try logging in again. Step 3. Update your browser or app. Make sure that your web browser or the Roblox app is updated to the latest version. Outdated software can sometimes cause compatibility issues. Check for updates and install them before attempting to log in again. Step 4. Disable VPN or proxying. If you are using a VPN or proxy service, it may interfere with your connection to Roblox. Temporarily disable these services and try logging in again. If you can log in successfully, consider using a different server or location. Step 5. Contact Roblox support. If none of the above steps work, it may be time to reach out to Roblox support. Provide them with details about the issue, including the error code and any troubleshooting steps you have already taken. They can offer further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the login failure issue on Roblox. If problems persist, keep an eye on official channels for updates or additional support.